Hi everybody, in this video I want to show you nourishing mask for face from oatmeal and honey, which you can make anytime, and it's healthy and it's also risk-free. There's no any risk because this all natural products we eat every day, and of course this is very safe for our face. So what we need for that, we just need to take 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. I'm gonna use this small one, as you see. I have big one, but I'm gonna use this because it will be easier for it to melt in honey. We're gonna put it in a cup here, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of honey. And what we need to do, we need to mix it very good. Here, 1 teaspoon of honey. I added, and because it's honey is so sticky, and it's very heavy, kind of heavy. It's a little bit hard to mix it. So what we can do, we can add, if your honey is hard, you just can take some hot water. Do not put it on the stove. No need. I just took hot water here, and I'm gonna put it inside, and it just will help to our honey to melt. You see, I feel that it's much easier now to melt it. So this mask is a nourishing mask for any type of face. You can use it because we didn't add oil or something or like eggs to do dry effect on our skin. So we can use it for any type of skin, and oil for dry skin is good too. But this mask for any type of skin, because we just use honey and oatmeal. What you need to do, just apply this on your face. I think it's good to leave it for 2-3 minutes and let to our oatmeal to melt a little bit, because standing in hot water is gonna, the honey will be kind of warm, and the oatmeal will melt a little bit, will get softer, and then you just can apply this mixture. It will be more mashed. Just apply this mixture on face lightly. Do not use it as a scrub because they're still like pieces, and don't injure your face. You will not see those injuries, but even small scratch on our face affects on our face and makes small scars. So just lightly apply. You can do. Usually I use just my hand, but if you have any small sticks for face, something soft, or piece of cloth, you can use it. But I feel with my hand, because it's not gonna hurt my hand, so why not to use it? And it's very safe. It's just food. Just you can take small like this, a little bit, and apply everywhere on the face, and do not try to massage it, as I told you, because you don't need any scratches on the face. Just apply and leave it there for 15-20 minutes, and then just wash it with warm water, and that's it. This will nourish your skin very good, and your skin will be shiny and healthy, and will look very beautiful. And watch my other mask. I will post my video for face mask. I also have video for hair mask. Watch them. Thank you for watching this video.